In this video, you'll learn how to participate in Binance airdrops effectively. This guide explains the necessary steps to ensure you engage with legitimate airdrop campaigns hosted by Binance, maximizing your chances of receiving rewards while keeping your account secure. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once logged in, locate the announcements section or the rewards and promotions area. This is where Binance publishes official airdrop campaigns. It is crucial to avoid clicking on social media links that claim to offer Binance airdrops, as these may be scams. Check if the airdrop is associated with programs like Launchpool or Simple Earn. Carefully read the eligibility rules, as they often depend on factors such as your region verification status and the assets you are holding. This initial step is vital to ensure you only engage with legitimate opportunities that Binance offers. Next, ensure you meet all eligibility requirements for the airdrop and follow the joining instructions precisely. This may involve actions such as staking a specific coin or subscribing to an earned product. If the airdrop requires a snapshot of your holdings, maintain the necessary balance in the designated wallet prior to the snapshot time. Complete any identity verification if required, as some rewards may be inaccessible without undergoing the Know Your Customer process. If there is an option to opt in, do so early, as many campaigns operate within tight timeframes. It's important not to move any funds out of your wallet before the holding period ends, as this may jeopardize your eligibility for the rewards. Keeping track of the steps you have completed will help you confirm your participation later. After participating, monitor the distribution of the rewards and confirm that you have received them. Check the campaign page for specific distribution dates and the methods used for calculating rewards. Once the distribution period has elapsed, access your wallet or rewards history to verify that the tokens have been credited. Remember that some airdrops may distribute rewards incrementally, so do not expect to receive everything at once. If you find that you have not received any rewards, revisit the airdrop rules to confirm you did not overlook any snapshot or holding requirements. It's essential to never share your seed phrase, private key, or verification codes in an attempt to claim an airdrop, as legitimate Binance rewards do not require such information. To further protect yourself, it is advisable to save screenshots of the campaign terms and conditions, especially if you are relying on the rewards for future planning. This record can serve as proof of your participation in the rules you agreed to. Tracking your progress through the airdrop process is crucial for ensuring that you meet all requirements and can successfully confirm your rewards without any issues. That wraps up today's guide on how to participate in Binance airdrops. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.